Hello guys, Jack and I here. Welcome to another video. Today I am, well, doing something quite interesting that I've never bothered to do. The last Roblox video was not the Roblox video. That was a failed project. But I did hackedonlinegames.com. I hope that site gets reported and all that. But I'm gonna find a game that my recorder can handle. So, two-player pizza tycoon. I played that. Twitter tycoon, mining simulator. So, okay. So let's look through the games. I'm actually really. Let's see. So Robloxian high school? No. Heists free. Oh, that game. Come on. There we go. But this is the best screen recorder I can find for free. So, oh, lag. Oh, error while receiving data. Well, looks like I can't play that game. So let's go back. Wait. No, forward. Oh my god. Heist. Alright. So I haven't played this game in a while. Arcade Tycoon. Like from the 1980s, yeah. So, YouTube Simulator, Car Washing Simulator, Arcade Tycoon. Oh my god. Come on, we gotta see what this is. Dang it! Ah! Come on, picture, show up. Loading. It saved my data. Wait, what? No, it didn't. But, build? 30,000! Oh my god. So 1,500. Another gumball machine. Okay, so this is what this game is all about. Oh, lag. Oh, oh, that was. Yeah, I'm gonna turn that off. I don't know what's copyright, what's not. Well, alright. So I'm going to sell you and then sell you. I said sell you. Alright. So, looks like I have enough money for the claw machine. No, the... what? Is the lag Alright, there we go, come on. Oh, okay. Visitor, okay. See, they're not even doing anything, so, okay. What's next? So, 14,000? Okay. So... okay, so... no, build. Oh my god. Forgot how slow paced this game is. Oh, let's customize our base. That's interesting. Soon. Oh god. There we go. And then the color. Secondary interior. There we go. There we go. In honor of Jacksepticeye. Oh my god. Exit. Okay. Arcade game. Come on. I know. Oh, there we go. Alright, so that's gonna slowly boost my income. 53,000, jeez. So, okay. Looks like someone's starting out just like me. Alright, I'm gonna change my arcade name. Oh. Oh, I had caps locked on. Okay. Aha. Aha. Alright. Yeah. That's cool. So... so I'm slowly earning my... Wait, what? I touched a businessman, so I get, like, tons of money? That's not how you play a claw machine. Ugh! That's me trying to be a claw machine. Security. Guess someone invested in my business. So, okay. Come on, okay. Alright. So, now it's a point of upgrading and all that. 190,000, wow. Upgrade, select the machine. Oh god, 64,000. So oh, my ears are ringing. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Oh. I'll be gone in a second. I just went to the pool, so I just decided to make a video right now. Okay. This is not how you play an arcade game. You don't... I'm playing the arcade game. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why are you not letting me? Alright, whatever. Wow, I'm earning millions of bucks. This is not what would happen in real life. Seriously, arcade places don't make much money anymore. Oh my god. So... Alright. Gotta keep an eye out for famous visitors. And all that. Okay. Seriously. I wish I got this much money from the arcade game place, but yeah. At 14 minutes, I'm going to end the video because I'm limited to 15-minute videos. But, yeah. So, arcade purchase 5,000 million. Alright. Alright. Well, I'm slowly... Okay, how much does it cost? 2,604 million. Alright, this is gonna be the last machine. Come on. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to leave now. Oh, the heady. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and, you know, I will post the link below. So, hope you enjoyed. Bye.